Temporary protection in Ireland, Carol Quinn, on behalf of Limerick and Clare Education and Training Board. Who can avail of temporary protection? Ukrainian nationals who were living in Ukraine before 24th of February 2022, nationals of a third country other than Ukraine, or a stateless person who would have benefited from international protection if they had still been in Ukraine, or an equivalent national protection status in Ukraine, and if they were residing there again before the 24th of February 2022. And the third category are family members of persons covered by A and B, where the family already existed in Ukraine prior to the 24th of February 2022. So what other family members can join you if you have temporary protection? So core family members are permitted entry, and these include spouses, partners in a stable relationship, minor unmarried children, that's under 18s, close relatives within the family unit, or a dependent in the case of hardship. So how long can you avail of temporary protection? So the duration in total is 3 years. Initially it's for 1 year, then it can be automatically extended for 2 periods of 6 months, and then it may be extended for a third full year. So that's 3 years in total. What are the entitlements for people that have temporary protection? So you're entitled to accommodation and housing, to employment or self-employment. You're entitled to education, primary and secondary for under 18s, and there's also further education and training and higher education, which we'll look at in another slide. You're entitled to social welfare income supports and also medical care. Education for those that have temporary protection. So children aged 4 to 18 are entitled to primary and post-primary education. Further education and training programs for adults are provided through education and training boards. English language classes are offered free through the education and training boards. And higher education, there is a lot of information on higher education. So if you have a particular query, there's a help desk which you can contact. That's at nrshelpdesk@mu.ie. There are also a range of voluntary programs that provide English language classes, and one of these is Fáilte Isteach. So this is a very brief summary on temporary protection or international protection. International protection is where you seek asylum, and it can be on a more permanent basis. So people who have temporary protection can apply for international protection, and you can click on this link for further information. However, it's not possible to be resident in Ireland with temporary protection and be an international protection applicant at the same time. So you can only have one or the other. I would suggest that you get legal advice before making any application for international protection. Driving license. So the best place to start here is to look at the website for the National Driver License Service. You can click on that link, which will bring you to that site. Ukrainian refugees in Ireland can exchange their Ukrainian driving license for an Irish driving license. An application to exchange a license can be made in any National Driver License Service centre, and an appointment to attend one of these centres can be booked online or by phoning 0818 919 090. And again, check the website for more details. So further information on the rights and entitlements for those on temporary protection can be found on a wide range of websites. And here is a sample of some of the main places to go to. Department of Justice, the Immigration Service Delivery site, the Clare Immigrant Support Centre, Citizens Information, the Irish Refugee Council, the Immigrant Council of Ireland, NASC, which is an immigrant rights service in Ireland, DURS, which is based in Limerick, and Limerick and Clare Education Training Board, which is obviously based in Limerick and Clare regions. Thank you.